If you get USB is not supported error on the infotainment system when you try to play music from your USB flash drive in your Kia Sportage, don't worry, there is an easy fix. The most common cause of this error is that your USB drive is not formatted correctly. Some Kia cars like the 4th generation of Kia Sportage only supports USB drives formatted in FAT32. So if your drive is formatted in a different file system like NTFS or exFAT, the vehicle system won't be able to read it, resulting in the USB is not supported message. To fix this problem, insert the USB flash drive into your computer's USB port. Open File Explorer and locate the USB drive under this PC or My Computer. Right-click on the USB drive and select Format from the drop-down menu. In the File System drop-down, choose FAT32. Leave the allocation unit size as default. You can give your USB a name by entering a volume label. Check the Quick Format box if you want to speed up the process. Finally, click Start to begin the formatting process. Once it's done, you will receive a notification confirming the completion. After formatting, the next step is to transfer music files to the USB. Make sure your USB files are in compatible formats such as MP3 or WMA, which are supported by the audio system in Kia Sportage. Drag and drop the files onto the USB and safely eject it from your computer once the transfer is complete. Insert the USB into the port in your Kia Sportage and your music should start playing without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WheezJoint for more car care tips. Thanks for watching.